In today's video, we'll show you how to adjust the settings on an automatic transfer switch. First, locate the DIP switch that controls the system settings. The up position is on, and the down position is off. Here is the setting table for the first and second switch. We use the on or off position to set the delay time before switching from the normal power to the backup power. Here, we set a 5-second delay. Next, a 3-second delay. Then a 1-second delay. And finally, no delay. Lastly, let's look at the fifth switch. Off means returning to the normal power when it is ready. On means to stay at backup power even when the normal power is ready. First, we set the switch to off, and the ATS resumes normal power when it's ready. Now, we switch it on, and the ATS remains on backup power despite normal power being available. That's all for today's setup guide. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions or anything, comment below or follow us at Nature's Generator for more information.